friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I thought it might be fun to take a moment and teach you to play what I just played. That's a famous ending that you may recognize. It even has a name. It's called Shave and a Haircut, 2 bits, which is exactly what it sounds like. So I thought it would be fun for me to show you how to play that. It's something you could add to the end of many songs that you play, or it's just kind of fun to play all by itself. Before I get started showing you how to do that, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video. And if you find it at all helpful or fun or interesting, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. And also considering subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to hear any more little ditties like this, please leave that in the comments below. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play this ending in the key of G, and then I'll also give you some tips on how you can transpose it to a different key if you want to add it to a song that's in a different key. So as I said, I'm playing it in the key of G, and I'm going to start on the note G in my right hand with my 4th finger. I'm going to play the G once, G, then I'm going to play 2 Ds with a little swing up to the E flat with my 2nd finger. Hold that longish and back down to the D. So that's the first part of the shave and a haircut. That's the shave and the haircut. So I got G, D, D, E flat, D. Okay. Then there's a rest and then you're going to play the 2 bits, which is simply going to be your thumb on D, your 3rd finger on F sharp together. Then you're going to keep your thumb on D and play the G with your 4th finger. Okay, so that last part is D, F sharp, D, G. So all together, here it is slowly. G, D, D, E flat, D, rest. Okay, we'll do it one more time for you. G, D, D, E flat, D, rest, D. Okay, that's the whole thing with the right hand. All you have to do with the left hand is you're going to put your thumb on C of your left hand and your 3rd finger on A. You're going to play those 2 notes together, A and C, and G and B. And that's the only thing the left hand's going to play, and it's going to play at the end with the 2 bits. So the shave and the haircut part is all with the right hand, and then we're going to play, we've got our 1 and 3 and our 1 and 3. Right hand is playing D, F sharp, left hand's playing C, A. Then the next part, the left hand's going to go down to G, B with 2, 4, while my right hand plays G, D. I'll do that again. Rest. Okay, so that first chord on the 2 bits is A, C with my left hand, D, F sharp with my right hand. Then I'm just going to step down in my left hand to 2, 4, which my fingers are already there, and my right hand 4th finger is going up to G. So I'll put it together again. So that's a really simple way to play that ending, and actually we could make it more complicated or simpler. If you wanted to just play it with the right hand, the only thing that I would change is I would play that G down lower at the end, so it would sound like this. I would put the G on the bottom instead of the D up here. So if you do it with one hand, G, D, D, E, D, then you've got your D, F sharp, and then come down here for the G. That'll make it sound more finished having the G on the bottom there. So to move it to the key of C, I'm going to bring my 4th finger down to C, and now I'm going to play the same fingers, so everything should kind of feel similar in relation. It's going to be, right? Okay, now I'm in the key of C, so I don't have that F sharp that I had when I played in the key of G. But I will have this A flat that we added, just like we added the E flat in the key of G. Hope that makes sense. So key of C again is going to be, okay, so I did C, G, G, A flat, G, then I've got G, B, G, C. And again, if you want to play it with one hand, put the C on the bottom. Now, if we want to add the left hand, let's figure out what that relationship would be. So when I went from the key of G to C, I moved 5 notes down. That's what we're doing when we change from the key to G to C, is we're going down 5 keys, or we could go up 4 keys, is the other direction. So if my left hand was on C when I played it in the key of G, I'm going to move my left hand thumb down 5 keys to F. And I think that might be off camera a little bit here, so let me adjust the camera. so you can see both my hands. Okay, so I've got my thumb on F, and I'm going to use my third finger to play the D. So I've got D, F, and then I'm going to end on C, E. That's my left hand part. So key of C goes like this. That's with both hands. So there you go. That's how you play Shaving a Haircut in 2 keys, C or G. Now, if you want to play it in a different key, hopefully you've gotten enough information from this video to figure out how to do that. Remember, when you're changing keys, you just want to think about how many keys lower that is on the piano. So say, for example, we learned it in the key of G first, and let's say you wanted to play it in the key of F instead. So if you look at G on the piano, F is 2 half steps lower, or a whole step. 1, 2 keys lower. So if I want to do that, I'm going to move everything down 1 key lower. And then that's how you would just find the relationship between any other notes if you want to change it to a different key. But C and G is pretty good. Those are 2 good keys that you know now how to play Shaving a Haircut. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you found this video helpful and you haven't already, please consider giving it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. If you found this video to be fun and if you'd like for me to make some more videos like this one, please leave that in the comments below. I'm thinking about making a series of videos on famous licks from piano songs. So if you have any famous licks that you'd like to learn how to play from a famous song, please leave that in the comments below and I will be very happy to make a video just for you. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.